Here we are in ACT3, the AI filmmaking application, and you'll see me here playing through a number of shots. When I created the new project, I came in here and just typed in what it is, and then that could go off and have the AI write the script, the screenplay script, or I can just come in here and upload a preloaded script I already have. In this case, I will do that. I have it written in Final Draft, and I just upload that. And then you'll see the plot structure. The plot structure is especially used when you have the AI write the script. So you go make sure the plot structure has the AI will fill that out from your initial debrief, and then you go tune that up, and then that will create the final script. And then otherwise you normally just use that uploaded script. And then you can go into the editing phase. The big breakthrough about Act 3 is the ability to go as fast as possible with screenwriting. So when you're just writing the dialogue and then a paragraph on what's going on visually, right there in either Final Draft, and then we have a version of Final Draft within us. You'll see the right side has the Final Draft kind of equivalent to write the script. And in this product here, you can sit there and just hit a play button. We record and we do all the work way above Google VO3 with AI to do the cinematography and to do the shaping into the visuals and in all the video creation. And you'll notice that you're not writing any Google VO3 prompts. When you actually have enough control that we have, the prompts would end up being 600 words long, and you'd often have to make it 2,000 words and then prioritize the best 600 words to get the same kind of quality. So with this, the mass automation with AI is that you, as a screenwriter, you just write down in the script what you want them to say. You put enough that you want to visuals that you want to have captured in there, and then it will do all the automation to carry out all the cinematography, a lot of the finding the outfits, the costume design, casting characters, character consistency, set design, and do all of that work, and then the cinematography filming around that. And then you are just then focused there on that storytelling side. So over here, you're seeing it where you can interactively go from shot to shot, tune it. You might well tune up the wording in the script and change your wording, and then just hit the regenerate button for that shot, and then you just play through the shots. So this is focused on when you're making a 15-minute, a 2-hour movie, or an 8-minute marketing video. You're not in the trenches of 1 8-second video, spending 3 hours making 1 8 seconds and trying to see how they fit together at the 15-minute level storytelling. You're just writing the script, and then you're able to sit there and hit the play button, and it plays on through, and you're seeing the AI make the storytelling fit throughout shot to shot. And so that is the big value of the Act 3 side, to go fast, work at the high level, work at the storytelling level, work in that script, and then in the script you put as much information, a paragraph, 3 paragraphs, to capture the visuals that are appropriate, and then you end up seeing that it will then carry out that. And then when storytelling happens, the camera is often moving back and forth in a cinematography kind of way that makes it feel like a TV show, establishing shots and back and forth with dialogue, over the shoulder, the 180 degree for cinematography, all of that complexity. Act 3 just does all of that work internally with the AI cinematographer worker, and with that, it then just carries it out. So again, you're working at the high level, figure out what the right dialogue for them to say is, capture from shot to shot, at the script level, and then all the work underneath you is just carried out. And so here, in this case right here, we wanted to go film in, and by the way, this is taking care of all that set and all of the the video footage from end to end. So none of this was filmed with real cameras. In this case, we wanted to go film off in Tokyo. They fly in, land, and come out of the Tokyo airport. They then go to a train station in Tokyo. They then take that train over to a smaller town called Mito, and then they get off the train in Mito, which you'll see in the video footage here. And then they go through and walk through a nice, beautiful garden, Japanese garden, and you'll see with the garden, you'll see where they get a walk through. You'll see the beautiful trees, very Japanese, unique. You'll see the unique temples, the gardens, and then they sit down at a coffee shop and talk. She's showing an alien movie she's making with Act 3. So with this whole process here, we wanted to go film across the planet. No flights, no videography, no real film footage, but being able to go capture all of that just as we go fast writing the script, and then the Act 3 will do all that set design and make all of our story world, dream world, complete and make all that stuff happen. So Act 3 is that product, and when you want to use Google VO3, you could just use us, and we go use the APIs internally. And so the quality of the very best, whether it's Google VO 3.1, whether it's Sora 2, or any other of the top AI models, all that stuff is created with the models you want. We do all the work. We create all the prompts and all the intricacies to get that control. We can have that consistency, so you can go cast the characters and you get character consistency. And then this whole world of set design we take care of. And then you get to often act either writing in at the Final Draft software, or not even by Final Draft, and just type into our version of Final Draft.